Hello, today's topic?
At the gym.
Are you ready for our workout?
Yes, I'm excited to get started.
Let's warm up with some stretches.
Sounds good. I'll follow your lead.
First, let's stretch our arms.
Like this.
Yes, that's it. Hold for 10 seconds.
Okay, what's next?
Now let's stretch our legs.
Should we touch our toes?
Yes, but go as far as you can comfortably.
Got it. How many reps should we do?
Let's do 3 sets of each stretch.
Alright, I'm feeling more limber now.
Good. Now let's move on to cardio.
Should we use the treadmill or the bike?
Let's start with the treadmill.
How fast should I set it?
Start with a brisk walk, then increase gradually.
Okay, I'll start slow and build up.
Great. I'll join you on the treadmill.
We can motivate each other.
That sounds like a plan.
After cardio, we'll do some strength training.
I'll grab the dumbbells.
And I'll set up the resistance bands.
Let's target different muscle groups.
We can start with arms and then move to legs.
Sounds like a good plan for a full body workout.
I'm glad we came to the gym today.
Me too. It feels good to be active.
Let's make this a regular routine.
Absolutely. We'll get stronger together.
Vocabulary.
Gym. Workout. Warm. Stretches. Arms. Legs. Reps. Treadmill. Bike. Brisk. Build. Strength. Training. Bands. Muscle. Routine. Active. Regular. Stronger. Motivate.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.